Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm featuring Unice hair. So they sent me the asymmetrical bob. This is a 12-inch bob with a standard lace, and I'm just going to be installing that quickly today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to cut your lace. So the first thing I do is I cut the air tabs and then I cut the entire lace. To cut the air tabs, I just part and then I follow the parting. Then I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray and I'm just going to press the hair or the lace into my skin whilst the spray is wet, and that will ensure that your lace stays in place. You don't want to wait for your Got To Be to dry down. You want to do it whilst it's wet. Then I'm going to start creating the edges. To create the edges, I'm just going to pull out a few strands of hair. After I've pulled out the edges, I'm going to place my band onto my lace just to melt it into my skin. Now for the styling, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my straighteners and my hot comb just to bump the hair, straighten the hair, and then use my hot comb and wax stick to flatten the hair at the top. Once that's done, I'm going to go into cutting the edges. So I'm just going to take my pair of scissors and start trimming the hair. You just want to start off long, and then when you get it into place, that's when you want to trim it to see to your desired length. And then I'm going to take some mousse to just secure that in place. And yeah, this wig was super duper easy to install because obviously it comes already parted for you and already kind of bumped, so I didn't have to do much. And yeah, the lace was really good. The lace melted into my skin very nicely. The hair itself was easy to bleach. If you're interested in this wig, make sure you check out Unice Hair. All the details on the hair will be in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.